Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Whitebox Wednesday video here at XpertVR. For this week's video, we're going to take a trip down memory lane and look at a whitebox that I created and modeled after XpertVR's Clubhouse and Rec Room. If you've been following us for a while, you would have seen this Clubhouse in one of our Metaverse Monday videos, and you can click the link below if you're interested in checking that video out at the end of this. Now without further ado, presenting the XpertVR Clubhouse. This is a nice 360 pan view of the exterior of the entire place. Just like in Rec Room, we're spawned right in the middle of the room, so let's jump right in. Right away you can see how similar everything looks from this point of view, starting off with our beloved hot tub jacuzzi right here. And as we continue to walk around, you can see exactly how this space is split up into different areas. This is the performance stage, where we normally gather to play charades and or do other performances. Back to the middle here is the expert lounge area, where we'd sit down on these comfy couches. And on the other side of the room here is the bar and hangout area, where we'd usually gather to play cards. Now before we get into the boardroom meeting space, some features I'd like to highlight are this rock climbing wall, which was one of my favorite things to climb here, and over here the door which would lead back to the Rec Room Rec Center. Now with all that being seen, let's take a look at the boardroom. Aside from playing paintball, this is the space where the team would spend the majority of our time in during our morning Monday meetings to discuss daily tasks and weekly agendas. Everyone would usually take a seat around this long table while the C-suite team would lead the meeting. These are the various whiteboards where team members would write down their tasks and other topics of discussions. And at the back here is another rock climbing wall. So yeah, lots of fun and early conversations that took place here. Now let's do one last walkthrough around the clubhouse to see everything one last time. Ever since we transitioned to Remio VR as our new VR meeting platform, it's been a while since we shared donuts and pizza amongst the team here in Rec Room, which is something that I miss. So now that you've seen everything, this was the late and great XpertVR Clubhouse. It was fun actually creating this from scratch and reminiscing on all the memories I have with the team here. All in all, this was a very nostalgic and enjoyable project for me to recreate, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. With that being said, that's a wrap to this week's video. Let us know in the comments how we did, and we'll see you guys again next week for another Whitebox. Have a great day.